Oopsie. 30 seconds late. What is up, people? So today I stumbled on a little Python beautifier. So I figured it might be kind of good to toss some of my code in there just to kind of clean it up, and it did an okay job, but I do have to kind of go through and just kind of correct some of the formatting, because some of the spaces are kind of some of the parentheses here like this. There's no reason for this. So yeah, it's gonna be probably a boring stream. But I figured I would turn it on just because I have a habit of not turning the stream on, so yeah, there's that. And yeah, so just a cleanup stream. I'm going to be going through like as much of the scripts that I can without going crazy. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We shall see. And I have a feeling like this fan is super loud. And I should have made a coffee before I started the stream. Good thinking there. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't really want to remove too many of these comments because the archive is still under construction. Okay, so yeah, there's the buffer stuff. And then here. Alrighty, first one down. A whole lot to go. Or what I should do is share the stream on Facebook first and foremost. Should I focus on just like newer portions of code or just do an absolute beautification of the code? I think that's probably what I should do. Preview off. I don't have to see my own screen. Okay. So oh, I hope this doesn't just like throw up a shitload of errors because I'm changing how the return is. Okay. Woo, I was a little worried for a hot second there. Like something stupidly ridiculous pops off just from cleaning the code up. With my luck, that would happen too. Okay, so where was I here? I mean, this all looks okay for the most part. And I'm not gonna lie, it is just a little bit easier than what I was writing. It's a little bit easier to read, for sure. Bow show. Oh, this is a big boy. Wow, that expanded to 1,000 lines, but it is a lot cleaner. It is a lot cleaner. It's gonna take a minute to go through possibly, but it is what it is. And this, what is this for? Holy train. That thing is loud as hell. So yeah, overall this is going to make stuff a lot easier to read and code going forward. Just because my noobish syntax is all over the place, and yeah, that's just how it is. I should be using my keyboard, and I'm sitting here mousing around. And I still didn't send this message on Facebook. Okay, back to what I was doing. And another one down. this is gonna be a monster. Oh yeah, 3,000 lines, easy. Why are these commented out? Yeah, see, I should be like, actually, yeah, screw it. Let's just see. This file, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I have a feeling it's going to, because it's so big, it's going to, wait, what? What? Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I thought it was still at 13 something. I was like, wait, what? Okay, so since this is the prompt widget, I'm actually not going to clean this one up right now, because it is one of the bigger ones and I don't want to spend so much time going through the nitty-gritties. Since the formatting's pretty much done, I'm just going to keep going until I'm done all the files, and then I'll come back and do another spick and span pass, I guess. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And actually, let me make sure this piece still runs. Okay, good. Okay, good. Not that this error is good, this was giving me problems. Error while loading, non-type. Has no items this time. Before it was cat. Oh, maybe that's... Yeah, that error changed. It was different before. I should have used a try catch so it would have given me more details instead of just plain prompt text. That would have helped out a lot. So I'm gonna have to search for that. Another big boy of a file. And a lot of the same bracket parentheses crap. Can I change that? I don't think it lets me change it on here. Nope, I don't think it does. Alright, moving on to the next one. Here I am back to using the stupid mouse again. Okay, it's looking good. Another train? Holy smokes, bro. Wow. Why did that one feel so long? Like, what the hell is this crap, bro? Okay, so that's all of the commands that I wrote myself. Like, not really hard-coded, but stuff that's not specific to an emulator. So for MS-DOS prompt, you're gonna have extra commands. And then they'll all generally be covered. Yeah, so that's all of them. And that actually can be moved. Oh, I hope this isn't ridiculous. Cross my fingers. 338. Oh, maybe I could just copy this here. Redoing this part, the visual stuff. Is it mode, normal, switch method? Yes. Try switch. Much better. Much better. And this bottom. Why is this so janky, bro? What? What kind of shit is this? Okay, so instance until ignored. Oh yeah, why did I have this commented out? I remember doing that, but I can't recall the reason why. What? Control C, Control A, Control C. Oh, I just commented them out because they're not needed right now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what's going on. So if I go to the bottom here. Yeah, okay. Okay. And this one actually looks like it's fine for now. I mean, for whatever I have to actually This is gonna be the same, a whole bunch of commented stuff. Actually, a lot of commented stuff. Because there's like none of the execution commands done. So that's fine. This is like annoying. Oh, this one's gonna be nasty, I think. Oh, not too horrible. Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I'll leave these like this because there is quite a few arguments for each. Yeah, I might have to just leave this particular script alone because there will be more work done to this as well. So I'm okay with leaving this one as is. You know what? I haven't checked if it still works yet. Okay. Been a while. I can still browse my directories. Yep. I can still open a file. What's it called? List.txt. Okay, good. Okay, what do you know? Just those two scripts that I have to go through there. And that's the editor. The main part done. Nothing inside of there. Temp, that gets overwritten. I think that's all of them. That's all the scripts. Oh, the LSP stuff. That's right. At JSON, log. Wait, what? Why would there be JSON logs? Or logs JSON? Actually, I shouldn't be deleting anything here because this is still broken and I have to know everything that I can. So that's gonna stay just like so. Damn, 200 and something lines. It's not too horrible. There is some funky parentheses, but I can deal with it. And again, I'll come back to that. Right now, main focus is just get everything formatted and I only have a few files to go. Oh, I wonder if this is what this is gonna do. Oh, well, yeah, no, it's Python, so should do something. $13.76. What? Now, does that look any more readable? No. Well, in a way it does, but not really. No, I like the way I had it before. At least this one I could see what group is with what. Okay. That is the whole project.
Computer_vision_pi just followed.
And I should probably do a push now. So the code was formatted, and what else was I just working on last before doing that? The code formatting, and then save command. What? I thought I used a token. Oh. Maybe I didn't use a token and I just kept pushing login. Damn it. Push rejected. Push for current master. Remote changes need to be merged. Did I? Pushing to the same reference. Why was it? My last commit was last week. So what changed? Well, that's frustrating. Why is this getting this I've never seen this happen before. I just don't know why this would be popping up. I didn't change any Git sort of settings. But I was playing with a different branch. Why is this only saying 3 things? Shouldn't there be more than that? Okay, so I think it's all good. A little worried there for a second that I kind of messed something up. Oh snap! Who is that chatting here? Computer Vision Pie. What is up? How long ago was your message? Welcome to the party. 29, like 10 minutes ago. My bad. I was just almost making some mistakes with GitHub. Thank you for joining the stream. Although, my bad. I had a browser over top of OBS, so I didn't see my messages. But yeah, again, thanks for the follow. It's much appreciated. So I have just been going through a little cleanup session for my text editor, which is right here. That just kind of seemed like it loaded faster. Wow, I just got distracted. Yeah, so here's my my text editor, my NeoVim inspired text editor. Super minimalistic. Still got a little ways to go before it's actually usable, but it's getting there. We have our own little emulator here, so we get a little bit of Tmux action, but not really. But we can also see a full list of commands here. And we also have like GitHub commands. And do they show still? No, they don't. Oh, yes, they do. Oh, no, they don't actually show all of the commands. But yeah, you just type in git help. And then it'll show all of the commands and all these extra commands that normally are not in MS-DOS prompt. Like, and you can kind of see I started off doing Linux style navigation when you're in a shell, so I actually have to remove some of these because they're duplicate commands. Yeah, and then you would have access to all these other commands inside the terminal. And then when you are ready to, like, say, edit file or something, list.txt, so we type in open, and here is the full command list. So yeah, again, this is just a text file, but this was my like working list. I was about to hard code all of these, and then I started thinking, hold on, why don't I make a what do you call it there? Emulator, and make things a lot easier on myself instead of hard coding a bunch of functions, because that would have taken forever. Why did my monitor just turn purple? Yeah, so there is actually color correction. It might... Whoa, what's going on here? Wait, what? Why does it do that? So, like, my left and right, up and down is all messed up currently. Like, why is this like that? Oh yeah, something funky is going on for sure. But yeah, there is actually color correction. It's just a little janky at the moment. It only colors at the cursor position because I can't find a fast enough way to populate the whole file initially when you first open a file, so I'm still kind of dealing with that. And then let's say you want to go back to the terminal. And now you're back in the terminal doing all kinds of crap. Oh, what was that? Volume. Oh, you know what? I think there's some stuff that this is not getting printed. That's not getting printed to console. I'm gonna have to look at the standard out. Could it be because there's a blank space there, maybe? No. I don't know. Interesting. Yeah, so just went through nice little cleanup session there, and now what do I want to work on? I don't know. Oh yeah, I started kind of planning this here. So previously I was just doing some keybind stuff and doing a bunch of trying to keep track of like rows and columns. So I feel like this will be a better way to deal with like buffers and splitting tabs up, so you can have multiple, like a tabbed window thing. And then this way I could assign a file or like the initial file to the same buffer but have two windows open, so you could have one scrolled like all the way to the top and one scrolled all the way to the bottom. And still edit the exact same file and be more productive. Exactly the same as NeoVim. Same thing, windowed. But I will have to add the split size and the orientation. Yeah, that's all I need, because if it's a H slider, it's always going to be at the bottom when it's created, or at the top, and then or should I do the rows and columns thing? Wait, what? Why I can't make this addict? Oh, I'm a dummy. I know what I'm doing wrong. think that's what I gotta do. That is what I got to do. And then, should I even, have like a state here, maybe? Okay, someone like show and hide a window, but that would still involve destroying it and then recreating it whenever it wants to be shown again, because I don't think tkinter has the ability to kind of show and hide objects. I would have to actually delete or destroy it, and yeah. Oh man, these socks are super tight around my ankle. My calf is like swollen. Holy shit. Am I eating too much sugar? Is that what that means? Oh. Or these socks are like no, these socks are super tight. Yeah, no, that's like, wow. Why are my feet so swollen? You know what? Now that I think about it, my feet feel stiff. I gotta start drinking water. And now I want to go get a coffee. And I think I'm actually going to do that. And then I'll get back to planning this. Planning the structure for the window splits. Yeah, I'm gonna go make a coffee. Because I'm addicted to coffee and I like it that much, that's why. That's right, okay? Just leave me alone. Alrighty, folks. I will be back in 2 minutes. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for the follow earlier, and I apologize I missed it by 10 minutes. I was lost in the sauce. But yeah, again, appreciate the follow. And I'll be back in just a minute. I gotta go make a coffee. Alright. So what I think is I am gonna go with this sort of situation here for the splitting. I'm just not sure if I want to keep this like sort of structure internal, like inside the application, or write it to like a hard drive so it could then be called without holding on to too much inside the application. Because me being a complete noob with Python, pretty much, I'm only a few months in, it might be beneficial to keep things, what do you call it, minimal and cost effective, I guess. Alright, so yeah, once I get this done, check 1 2 1 2, check on the mic. accidentally turned my mic down. Okay, so yeah, this is what I think I'm gonna use. Can't remember for the life of me. I can't remember where I put the stupid input handler. what's up with this cord? There it is. Why was that so hard? Didn't I look in the widget already? Probably just didn't go to the right spot. Okay, so now Oh boy. Oh.
Sir Ferris 24 just followed.
Hello there. I have a weird question. If you don't mind me asking, I would like your input on as a developer. Yeah, shoot. What's your question? Sir Ferris. And thanks for the follow. What do you think? What do you think of developers using ChatGPT as a tool to replace actionable tasks instead of relying on their own experience? I would say don't rely on ChatGPT over your own experience. Um, you have to smash your head against the wall for a long time before you even know how to ask the correct questions. Um, yeah, that's like my main thing. You have to go through it, you have to actually put in the time, and then you'll actually be able to you'll be able to appreciate ChatGPT, in my opinion. Um, but if you go straight to ChatGPT in order to like say, oh, I need a program to do X, and you expect ChatGPT to give you program to do X, you're in for a rude awakening. So just from like the amount of time that I've been developing in Python and learning, I quickly found that doing just that, relying on ChatGPT, you spend I don't know how many hours just trying to get like your prompting correct. Uh, by that time, you could have written it. You know, if you would have just spent a little bit more time, maybe an extra day or two, on how to put the certain class together. It might have taken a little bit of time, but when it's all said and done, you'll have a better understanding of what goes into getting something done. So yeah, don't rely on ChatGPT. Use it as a tool because that's all it really is. It's not a solution, just a tool. I think a lot of people are hoping for Devin, but not realizing that we're in a prompting state. I myself, I use ChatGPT all the time, but that's because I'm a solo developer and I really don't have many like colleagues, I guess, to bounce ideas off. So if I have to ask a question, I just go straight to ChatGPT to get, a bare bones understanding of what's going on. Thank you for your valuable input. Yeah, no problem. If you have any more questions, just shoot. And for the record, I'm still kind of a new developer to Python. But I've been coding for quite a few years in different languages, all self-taught. So yeah, that new Python experience is something to wrap your head around. Okay, so I kind of lost track of what I was doing here. I was setting this up horizontal split v split. Yeah, why can't I use these here? Is it the thing here? A quote, but I'm not though. If you don't mind me asking, what was your reasoning behind your question? Do you find yourself falling to ChatGPT a lot? Get it? What closing quote am I? Quotes, bruh. Oh, is it because it's unreachable? Is that all it is? Tell me that's all it is. I don't fall into ChatGPT, but rather I find developers around me falling into new AI hell alongside tutorial hell, which got me curious on why that's happening. Oh, yeah, gotcha. I think tutorial hell happens when you don't have a direction. IMO. You don't know what you want to build, but you know you want to build something. You just don't know what you want to build. You start finding tutorials on how to build the game, start doing a little something, and then still no direction, right? Next thing you know, you get a few systems together. You think, okay, maybe I should start putting together an idea for a game. Still no direction. You have to know what you want to build before you can build it. Yeah, I never really fell into the tutorial hell type of thing, although I've watched an ungodly amount of tutorials. I don't really rely on them too much. Like basically when I'll get a tutorial, I sometimes would copy large portions of their like code or whatever, but it often more times than not turns into my own beast by the time I'm done with it. Yeah, so I've been fortunate that way, I guess. Yeah, and I'm not really one. I don't really I don't dislike AI, or I don't. Yeah, I don't dislike it, but I don't really like it a whole lot either. It has too much power, or the potential for power is ridiculous. Just gonna take one person to figure out how to turn it on, and when they do, it'd be crazy. It's gonna take one household item. That's all it's gonna be, and they're almost there with like, what do you call it? Google and Siri or whatever the hell it's called. I was watching, I think, who was it? Either Tej DeVries or the Primogen, and they were talking about, maybe it was like last week sometime, they were talking about pretty soon AI, or maybe it was just a couple days ago, pretty soon AI is going to be uh, ordering your grocery list. And that's kind of interesting. And you know what's kind of crazy? I remember my grade school teacher telling me about that. I honestly and truly remember my grade school teacher telling me, yep, one day they're going to have little barcodes and you're just going to scan them and then it's going to tell you how much your food, how much like your jug of milk weighs, and then it's going to know that you're going to need a new jug of milk. And I was like, what? How are they going to do that? And then, you know, if some years come along, we have QR codes, and now, you know, AI stuff is just going to be that one next level onto the, you know, simply by taking a picture and measuring weight on something. It's going to be, you know, have vision inside of the fridge or something. Who knows, right? Just going to be that one little household item that turns everybody on to, or no, that it's going to take that one household item to initiate the singularity. That's what I was trying to get out. But all right. Okay, yeah, so back to this. What's going on here? Why can't I do this? Is it too long or something? Missing closing quote. Missing closing quote. Why? I see one quote and closing quote. Does it not like brackets maybe? Um yeah, and it's advancing rapidly at the pace similar or at a pace similar if not greater than the internet boom. Uh I would kind of disagree. I think there's more hype than the internet boom. Like the internet did boom, but I think ChatGPT, like, you know, AI stuff is like I said, people are expecting the hype, like it's gonna be the thing, but I think we're still a few years off. But it is kind of going fast, but I don't know. I'm kind of up in the air about that one. The hype is quick, but I don't know if like the implementation, not so much. Just judging from, you know, the Devon hype, that's the only thing that I could AI fail that I know of really as of late. The only thing I know is like their whole front end to their website is basically like non-existent. It doesn't work pretty much, I think. It'll just say that it can't answer questions or something like that. I don't know. What's going on? Why can't I raise this error? Was it just bugged out? It was just bugged out. Yeah, absolutely was just bugged out. Okay, so now what if I put these bad boys back in? I should be fine, right? Yeah. Okay, so I think that is that. Then well, it's nice talking to you. Have a good one. You too. Thanks for stopping through and thanks for the follow again. Don't be afraid to come back in. Um I normally stream at night or in the morning. Even though I'm NA, I'm a night owl. I code at night up until the wee hours of the morning, so it's like 5:30 for me in the morning. Be easy. Have a good day or night, whatever side of the world you're on. Good time zone to you. Okay, so V split, H split, that should be set up. And I should be seeing that. Print. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to pass like a F for full, and then once it's split, I'll have to change the orientation value so that it matches. Yeah, I think that's what I gotta do. So I'll just start it off as a full window or a full frame, full tab, and then split. And we'll say that it turns into a vertical, so two vertical. And horizontal, two horizontal, sure, why not? Okay, okay, okay. We got tab 1. Should I keep those lowercase? Yeah, I probably should. Okay, so workspace, tab. And I'm just trying to think what else would I have been missing there. feel like I'm forgetting something important. Yeah, I think this is a good start. It's a good little start for some structure. Maybe later on today, when I get some sleep in, I'll turn the stream back on and we'll get back to this overall structure for the splitting of the windows, which I actually had working in the older version, but I had to do some backtracking because previously the mode wasn't getting switched. So now either I'm in command line mode, back to normal mode, insert what? Oh, because I got rid of the notebook. That's right. Shit. Which I'm going to have to re-implement, especially if I want to do, yeah, okay. So I gotta figure out what's going on with the movement. So I think that's gonna be tomorrow's tasks. Yeah, so that'll be like on the agenda for tomorrow. I didn't even dent this because, yeah, I just had like a serious cleanup stream. Sent all my code through a beautifier, so it all looks a heck of a lot better. Although there's more lines now, but it's whatever. It's easier to read. And it was well needed because before this was crazy to read. All right, so actually I'm going to start a little yeah, I could just close this actually. Yeah, I'm gonna start a little tradition here. At the end of each stream, I am going to ask my own personal local AI assistant that I wrote using GPT-4 all, not the new GPT-4, but ChatGPT for all. I think it's running on 3.5, maybe something like that. Oh, was this giving me an error? That would suck if it did. Oh. Yeah, going to ask for a short story. And let's see what he responds with. Hmm. I need a topic. I think I got an idea. All right, this should be good. Hold on, let me get my headphones here. Oh wow, the music has been off for how long? Wow. I think probably like an hour or more. My bad, people. You just been kind of legit watching me code if you happen to stop through. Okay, so let's see how long this takes. At 58, I pushed send. It does take them a while to generate a story. Come on, crude boy. You can do it. Come on, just give me my story. Oh, I forgot about the toggle. I'll just leave it. Wow, taking his time. Did it take this long last time for the last story? I think it did. But this toggle button could be giving me issues, and yeah, it's a possibility. I should get a little loading symbol here or something. Yeah, I think something's up with the toggle. Hold on, let me restart them. I need my short story. Okay, now let's see. Sometimes it'll take a minute or two still, but it shouldn't take that long as it did last time there. And this is like the history context, so I think that it's getting stuck trying to read old context even when it's not toggled on. So I gotta, yeah. Come on, give me a story, bro. I gotta figure out why this is taking so long. Like, I know I'm on a laptop, but it shouldn't take this long. Like, I recall it being a lot faster before.
Once upon a time, there was a
wow.
man named
There we
John who
go.
lived in a small town. John was born in the 1950s and had grown up without access to the internet or smartphones.
The 1950s.
He didn't believe that these technologies had ever existed before. One day, John's friend invited him over to her house to watch a movie on her computer. John was hesitant at first, but eventually he gave in and sat down at the keyboard. As he typed away, he realized that the movie was much better than he expected. He also noticed that his friend had access to an endless amount of information and entertainment through the internet. John became curious about what else the internet could offer and decided to do some research on his own. He found out about search engines, social media platforms, and online shopping sites. He was amazed at how much there was to discover and learn online. Over time, John started using the internet more and more. He learned new skills, made friends from all over the world, and even discovered a passion for writing. He realized that the internet had revolutionized the way we live our lives and that it would only continue to grow. In the future, John
Well, until next time, folks, I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. And yeah, we'll get back to, maybe we'll work on the game. We'll get the scenes going for the game a bit more. Actually, no, we'll get some sprite action and some image action and maybe animation. Not all three at once, but we have to get those on the go. And we'll be able to start doing some stuff for the game. So yeah, until tomorrow, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you happen to lurk, it's much appreciated. Yeah. Peace out, everybody.